Hello. For those of you who have not got a chance to go over this, this is arithmetic sequences as linear functions, and we're just going to start with what each term means. So common difference is any difference between each of these. So term 1 is 1 foot, term 2 is 1.5 foot, term 3 is 2 feet. Each one of them is going up by 0.5 or 1/2. So the common difference is at a positive 1/2. Arithmetic sequence, the numerical pattern that increases or decreases at a constant rate. Number has to be the same every time, bringing us to arithmetic sequence. Because the difference of the arithmetic sequence is plus 11 for this one, you have right here, this is a linear function. We are going to next show you the formula. So the formula states any number you're looking for is equal to the first number in a sequence plus the number in the term number you want minus 1 times the common difference. Let's look at this one down here. If I ask you for the 43rd term, that means I want a to the 43, so a 43 equals 15, because it's the first term, 15, first term, plus n becomes 43, because it's the 43rd term, and minus 1 times the common difference, because each term is going down by minus 2. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So now that we have everything squared away, we can now write this formula out. So that is how you write the formula when you need a term. They're also going to ask you at times to write the formula when you don't have a term. They're just going to say, write the formula for this set. So if I give you a set of numbers like these over here, if I just want the formula for it, you're going to have to say an equals, first term, what's the first term? 5 plus n, because we don't know, we're just making a formula. It's going minus 1, and the common difference each time is a positive 5. This is a little bit, this doesn't often happen where the common difference is the same as the beginning number, but it looks like this. So the formula is an equals the first number, and this sequence is 5 plus n minus 1 times 5. No math, just the equation. So all of the terms are here. Make sure you know this.